Life after tough transitions can feel like a constant uphill battle, especially when it comes to managing your money. Meet Dre, a determined individual from the GED hustle community, working hard to rebuild his life. He'd just gotten paid, feeling that brief moment of relief, but then the familiar pattern began. Groceries, gas, rent, the money seemed to vanish almost as quickly as it arrived, leaving no leftovers and, more importantly, no plan. This cycle of earning and immediately spending left Dre feeling frustrated and stuck, wondering if he'd ever get ahead. But Dre wasn't one to stay down. He knew he needed a different approach, a real strategy to take control. He realized that budgeting wasn't about restricting himself, but about empowering himself to make his money work for him. His first step was simple yet crucial: understanding where every single dollar was actually going. For an entire month, he tracked every expense, from his morning coffee to his bus fare, using a simple notebook. This raw data was his foundation, revealing patterns he hadn't noticed before, like how much he spent on impulse buys. Once he had a clear picture of his spending, Dre moved on to categorizing his expenses. He divided them into needs like rent and utilities and wants such as entertainment or dining out. This categorization helped him see where he could potentially cut back without sacrificing essentials. Next, Dre set realistic financial goals, starting small with an emergency fund of just $500. He also aimed to pay off a small credit card debt, understanding that every little bit of progress mattered. With his income and expenses laid out, Dre allocated specific amounts to each category, creating his very first budget. This wasn't just numbers on a page, it was his roadmap to financial freedom, built with his own hands. Sticking to the budget wasn't always easy. There were days he felt tempted to revert to old habits. Unexpected expenses, like a minor car repair, also tested his resolve and forced him to adapt. He learned to be flexible, adjusting his budget when necessary, understanding that life happens and plans evolve. This adaptability became a key part of his just grind attitude, turning setbacks into learning opportunities. Slowly but surely, Dre started seeing the fruits of his labor. His emergency fund grew, providing a sense of security he hadn't felt in years. He paid off that credit card debt, freeing up more of his income for his goals. These small wins fueled his motivation, proving that consistent effort truly pays off. Dre's journey didn't stop at just managing his daily expenses. He began to think about his future. He started exploring options for long-term savings and even considered small, accessible investment opportunities. His just grind attitude transformed from merely surviving to actively building a better tomorrow. Dre's story is a powerful reminder that no matter where you start, taking control of your finances is within your reach. It's about practical tools, consistent effort, and that unwavering, just grind spirit. If Dre can build his budget from scratch and transform his financial future, so can you. Ready to start your own financial journey and unlock more GED hustle hacks? Subscribe to our channel for more motivational content and practical advice to help you thrive.